Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will tell you how to grow tomato, eggplant, and green chili with seedlings. So let's start the video. This is our tomato seedlings. This is the result of 20 to 25 days. You can see that it has grown from 6 to 7 inches. We have grown this from seed. This is eggplant seedlings. It has grown from 3 inches. This is our green chili seedlings. We have taken this soil to grow our seedlings. I have uploaded the video of this soil mixture before we have prepared these pots with soil. Now we will add water to the tomato seedlings, so that the roots of the tomato can leave the soil and we can easily take it out. Otherwise, if the roots of the tomato break, the plant can die. Similarly, we will add more water to the eggplant seedlings. This is green chili seedlings. I have taken this from Punjab. You can see how fresh it is. We will take it out of the pot. There is a bag wrapped on the roots of the tomato which contains water. Now, we will open it. You can see that these plants are still very fresh if you shift the plant from one place to another. Then, this is how it works. If a cloth is tied on the roots of the plant, then we pour some water so that the water does not run out. Now we will open it. We will plant one by one and sow it to the soil. We have taken one plant. You can see the shoots and the leaves of the plant. These are its roots. Now, we will plant 4 plants in one pot. We will first mark it, then we will press one plant inside for 2 to 3 inches and cover the side with soil similarly. We will sow all the plants. We have planted all the chili plants. In a while, the soil of the tomato has become soft. We will remove one plant. It has come out easily. We will press it for 3 to 4 inches. This plant has become a bit laggy because I had left it for 2 to 3 days. We will plant all of them now. We will plant eggplant seedlings. This plant will also come out easily because we have added water. You can see its roots, and this is the plant. We will press it a little inside. It should not be pressed too much, otherwise it will melt down. We have pressed it down to 2 inches. We have planted all the plants. Now, we will water all of them. Now we have watered all of them until the surface of the plant is dry. So this was our video. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.